Bringing rustic vibes into your home. If you're looking to add a warm and inviting feel to your home, why not consider bringing in some rustic elements? Rustic style has been gaining popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It's a timeless look that can be achieved with a few key pieces and some careful attention to detail. In this article, we'll explore some of the ways you can bring rustic vibes into your home. Natural materials. Rustic style is all about using natural materials like wood, stone, and leather. One of the easiest ways to bring rustic vibes into your home is by incorporating these materials into your decor. Wooden furniture pieces like coffee tables, bookshelves, and dining tables can instantly create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Stone accents like a fireplace or exposed brick wall can also add an earthy feel to your home. Leather sofas and armchairs can give a cozy touch to your living room. Vintage and antique accents. Another way to achieve a rustic look is by incorporating vintage and antique accents into your home decor. You can find these pieces at flea markets, antique shops, or even in your own attic. Old signs, clocks, and mirrors can be used to add character to your walls. Vintage bottles and jars can be used as decorative accents in your kitchen or dining room. Look for pieces with patina and wear, as they can add authenticity to your decor. Textiles and fabrics. Rustic style is also about layering textures and fabrics. Think about incorporating natural fibers like linen, burlap, and cotton. These materials can be used in your curtains, throw pillows, and table runners. Handmade quilts or knitted throws can add a cozy touch to your living room. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures to create a warm and inviting feel. Lighting. Lighting is an essential element in creating a rustic vibe in your home. Think about incorporating warm and ambient lighting with fixtures made from natural materials like wood, metal, or rope. Mason jar lights or pendant lights made from repurposed materials can be used to add a touch of rustic charm. Candles can also be used to create a cozy atmosphere, especially during the colder months. Plants and greenery. Bringing in some greenery can add life and freshness to your rustic decor. Indoor plants like succulents, ferns, and herbs can be used to add a touch of green to your living room or kitchen. You can also incorporate natural elements like branches, twigs, and dried flowers into your decor. A vase of wildflowers or a bowl of pine cones can be used as a simple centerpiece on your coffee table or dining table. In conclusion, bringing rustic vibes into your home is all about using natural materials, vintage and antique accents, textiles and fabrics, lighting, and plants and greenery. By incorporating these elements into your decor, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere that is both timeless and stylish. So why not give it a try and see how you can transform your home into a rustic haven?